What if I told you that in 2026, AI won't just assist you, it'll work for you? No prompts, no micromanaging, just results. Today, automation still needs us. We click, we type, we fix errors. But in 2026, that changes completely. The biggest change? Agentic AI. AI systems that don't wait for instructions. They plan, decide, act, and improve on their own. In 2026, AI agents will replace entire workflows. Imagine one agent handling your emails, scheduling meetings, writing reports, and only alerting you when it actually matters. No-code automation won't be about step-by-step rules anymore. It'll be about intent. Tell AI what you want, not how to do it. Say, track sales drops and fix the funnel automatically, and it will. These systems learn from your data, user behavior, and results, and optimize themselves, no retraining required. That's not convenience. That's competitive power. Here's how AI automation will look in 2026. Content creators. AI managing entire content pipelines. Businesses. AI running operations and analytics. Freelancers. AI handling client workflows. Analysts. AI monitoring and explaining data. But here's the truth, no one tells you. AI won't replace everyone. People who use AI will replace those who don't. To stay ahead, you don't need to code, you need to think in systems. Workflow thinking, data understanding, automation logic, decision design. If you want real AI tools, real automation, and zero hype, hit subscribe, because AI 2026 won't wait for anyone.